So there we are, we're done with the weather app. I hope you enjoyed that. Now you can use API calls using JSON, JSON, retrofit, a bunch of new third-party libraries that we have not used before. We use Dexter again for getting permissions, and we use the internet connection of the phone, so of the user, so that we can get data from the internet, so that we can display the data in the right format. All right, so that's what we've done. And I hope you enjoyed this chapter. It's a bunch of new features that you have learned, a bunch of new functionality that is so important when it comes to developing applications, because now the applications are even more complex, the ones that you can build. You can now actually do a lot of contract work, because most applications will use this feature, or many of them will use this feature, and many of the applications that your customers need are going to use this kind of data. So you need data from somewhere, right? In most applications. So either you build the data yourself and you have it in the application, or you use an API call, so you download the data from the web and you use it. And those API calls, sometimes you have to pay for it. It really depends on what kind of data you need, because somebody has to prepare the data. And that is super powerful, because now you can even send data and you can retrieve back the result of whatever you have sent. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next chapter, we are going to look at our most advanced application, which is the ProJManage. I used the most stupid name that I came up with, and that's it. So we're going to build a project management tool, which is a clone, so to speak, of Trello. So it's going to have most of the core functionality of Trello, and it's going to have a lot of advanced stuff. And it's a super long chapter, because there is so much stuff to learn. It's amazing. It's just so much interesting content and many features that you will need when you want to build an application with a many-to-many relationship. So when a user can have multiple boards, but a board can have multiple users. So I'd say let's dive right into the next chapter. See you there.